Hello again, it's me, Jeanette. And why use a dustpan? Are you tired of using a dustpan? Well, here's an easy way to do it without having to buy that little gadget that you have to put in your wall and then vacuum the stuff into if you don't want the dustpan. So first, just sweep with a broom. This is called a broom. So sweep up everything in the room into a pile. And then have a shop vac. A shop vac will come in handy for all kinds of things. And then just take the shop vac. See the gunk on the ground? Take the shop vac. And there you go. Voila. I'll see you next time. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Bye.